So, you know, right now I'm at the shop and believe, but it's our new International MV. Going 74 miles on her. Turn it on really quick. Let's see, we got bin, alternating flashers. International has done it. Glow. Had a crack. These lights actually go into work lights as well. Take a walk back over here. Got the bed schematic, I believe that's what you call it. And I don't think there's nothing up there. So let's see. The light bar work lights, the bed work lights. I'm sure it is. What's on this side? I'm surprised we don't have an air box on this. Besides that, that needs to be LED. Oh my goodness. Another new addition to the fleet. Get that side view, boy.